Have you ever noticed that sometimes a yawn appears out of nowhere, even when you're not really tired? And the strangest part is the moment you see someone else yawn, you suddenly feel the urge too. It's almost like yawning spreads from one person to another, like an invisible signal.
So what exactly is happening inside your brain when you yawn?
And why does something so simple spread so easily between people?
In order to remember something, the brain must store it. For a long time, scientists believed yawning had a very simple purpose.
They thought yawning helped bring more oxygen into the body, and that extra oxygen helped wake up the brain. But experiments eventually revealed something surprising. Even when people breathed extra oxygen, they still yawned just as often. So yawning wasn't really about oxygen at all. Which led scientists to a very different theory. Your brain actually produces heat every time neurons fire. And during long periods of thinking, that heat slowly builds up. When the brain becomes too warm, its efficiency begins to drop. And this is where yawning might play an unexpected role. A deep yawn pulls cool air into the mouth, and this airflow may help cool the brain slightly, like a natural cooling system for your mind. Which could explain why yawning often makes you feel more alert. But the most mysterious part of yawning is still unexplained. Why does seeing someone else yawn make you yawn too? This phenomenon is called contagious yawning, and it appears to involve the brain's social systems. Inside your brain are special cells called mirror neurons. These neurons help you understand the actions of others. They are part of the reason humans can feel empathy. And they might also explain contagious yawning. When you see someone yawn, your brain partially imitates the action. And before you even realize it, you yawn too. And humans are not the only species that experience this. Which suggests yawning may be linked to social connection. Even dogs can catch yawns from humans. Which suggests yawning may be linked to social connection, a signal that helps groups stay in sync. When you yawn, a deep breath pulls cooler air into your body. Some researchers believe yawning may help cool the brain. When you yawn, a deep breath pulls cooler air into your body. This airflow might help regulate brain temperature. But brain cooling might not be the full explanation.
Because yawning spreads from person to person.
Because yawning spreads from person to person.
And sometimes it spreads like a silent wave.
Scientists call this contagious yawning.
Sometimes even thinking about yawning can trigger it. In fact, you might be yawning right now.
But contagious yawning reveals something deeper about the human brain. It may be linked to empathy, the ability to feel what others feel. Your brain may be unconsciously mirroring someone else's state. And humans are not the only ones who do this.
Some animals can catch yawns too. Chimpanzees show contagious yawning.
And even dogs sometimes yawn after their owners. But despite all these clues, yawning is still a mystery. It might cool the brain. It might regulate breathing.
Or it might connect us socially.
A tiny reflex that reveals how complex our brains truly are. So the next time you yawn,
remember, your brain might be doing more than you think.
even the simplest behaviors hide fascinating science.
And curiosity is how we discover it.
This is Curious Planet,
where we explore the mysteries of a mind.
and the strange secrets hidden inside it.